Hi guys, I wanted to show you how I use double sticky tape on my hoop to help me hoop t-shirts. I've already prepped my t-shirt with a double layer of the Silky Soft and Sheer Cutaway stabilizer. I think that the double layer keeps my embroidery from bunching less, and so that's what I've been using. And I stuck it on my shirt using this 505 temporary adhesive. It comes right off and doesn't gum up my needle, so that seems to work really well. I had marked the middle of my shirt with this Taylor's chalk. I used to use the water-soluble pens, but I have found that the pen doesn't always come off my my material, so I'm using chalk now. And the way that I mark my shirt, and I'm just going to show you here real quick, is I fold it in half and kind of smooth it out, and then I just mark the edge with my chalk, just to have kind of a go by mark. Anyway, so the way that I've been doing this, I take my hoop. I've already put double sticky tape on the wide sides of my hoop. I flip it over. I use the grid to help me align, and I'm not sure if you can see it on the video, but basically I attach it to my hoop. That is very dirty. And I use the center line of the hoop to align with the chalk mark that I had made on my shirt. And I like my designs to be pretty high up. So I'll stick it where it goes. Attach it like that. And now I am able to take my other hoop, put it inside without that top hoop moving very much, and just attach it firmly if it decides to go today. Maybe I need to unscrew it. Look. So attach it to the inside grid, but the top hoop does not move. Just attach it real tight. And then you should be ready to go. Just flip it out to expose your brackets, attach it to your machine, and happy embroidering. Bye now.